The best trips start with that itch to explore. We got first dibs on the 2020 Boldt, so we piled a group of friends in and set off on a trek of the Pacific Northwest.
Rock climbing and traveling really go hand in hand. The similarities are the thrill-seeking and getting into a space that you're not familiar with.
You have a lot of time to think out there when you're on the road. A lot of time to dream, a lot of time to plan. You don't get that as much in the big cities. We all have a pioneer spirit in us, and it's important to explore that. Traveling in the van allowed us to bridge the gap between adventure and modern-day luxuries. When you're with good friends, the destination can be anywhere. It's hard to explain the bond that happens when you're out in the unknown with people. We got to wake up at a new place every single morning, and that was a really great way to travel. Normally after a long drive, everyone is excited to get out of the van. The cool thing about the Boldt is that we were just as excited to get back into it. The real beauty of this road trip was it gave us a fresh perspective. It always kept us wondering what was over the next horizon.